everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Gina. If you've never seen my face before, hi. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. You don't have to be at a gym to exercise. You don't need a gym to stay fit. So I started doing 100 jumping jacks and 5 push-ups per day. Sometimes I do 3, sometimes I do 2. But that's a big step for me because I'm somebody who normally does not like to exercise. So I'm going to do the jumping jacks like I normally would. Jumping jacks, the fat in your belly walks through your legs, goes to your butt, and you can poop it out or you can pee it out. Whatever it is you choose to do with it, but it does not stay in your belly, because when you jump, right, it puts pressure on your upper body and then it frees your body and it makes you more active than usual. When I do my jumping jacks, I don't do 100 straight away, okay? Sometimes I do 100 straight away, it just depends. And then for my push-ups, I used to not be able to do any at all. I started with 1 because every time I do it, I would lay on my belly. And I just gave up. And I feel like I have a bit of energy here now. And I'm stronger up here than I used to be. I'm more flexible. So I feel like we all need a little exercise in our lives. Don't wait for the lockdown to be over before you do something. Don't just sit and eat. Please, don't. I moved some things around and I feel like I want to vacuum the area that I moved things from just to keep the room clean. The entire room is not dirty, but just one little part. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum my room and then move on with other things. After vacuuming, I decided to hop on my computer and complete some assignments that I started. And oh boy, was that serious. Look at my face. Besides, Gina, put your hands down. You're not supposed to be touching your face. Put it down. Hey, they try me. Put that hand down before I scatter. Alright guys, the time right now is 7:36. I forgot I was vlogging as usual. One thing I hate about vlogging. So I just did a couple homeworks and right now I need to take a shower and I need to do a few assignments as well because I have stuff due almost every day now. So I have to stay on top of my game. So I'm constantly doing something. All right, I just woke up from a nap. I need to start getting ready. I took a shower already, so I'm just going to wear my uniform and I'll be good to go. Just wear my uniform. I just changed my mind. I don't want to take the camera to work. I will continue the day tomorrow in another video. See you guys later. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe if you have not. Turn on your notifications bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.